Hey everybody, Sarah, wife of Bulldog here again. This is the second half of a two-part series that we did regarding a large project that we did for a homeowner early this month. The first half of the video we talked about removing river rocks safely from around a home with a tractor. This is the second half of the job. Take a look. All right, Justin, it is a Sunday in June. You've got your awesome John Deere hat.
Yeah.
What have we got going on today at this project?
We pulled out 10 yards of rock on the far side of the house already. We pulled out two arborvitaes that were at least 10-12 inches at the base. Just used the pallet forks and gnawed on them like a bulldog. And another little smaller bush. So once we get these rocks dumped into the second 10-yard roll-off container, we're going to take some premium pulverized topsoil and we're going to basically top dress the yard and then overseed it and cultipack it in. That's for this Sunday. Woo. So we got the rock removal portion done. Two 10-yard dumpsters full. Now we are going to spread out 18 tons of premium pulverized topsoil with a TR3 and probably dress it up with the chain harrow and seed it, cultipack it. We're out of here. Just a Let's Go starter fertilizer, no herbicide. 11/23/10 today. I get my seed from the seed bank, so Twin City Seed pretty much is the seed bank for the city. This is their shade mix. It's a little bit of Kentucky, but a lot of fescue we'll go with. So we're gonna hit the shady parts, like under this maple tree with the shade mix.
All right, so we're doing the completing touch, the Cultipacking, and what's the benefit of that?
Cultipacking is the final touch for seed to soil contact. So the notched discs drill the seed down into the perfect seed to soil contact. Now with a top dress, you lightly blanket above the turf with topsoil. Okay, but there's a lot of air in that, so the Cultipacker will smush everything down, get everything into the same compaction, as well as setting the seed into the soil. So there's a couple things going on. It's kind of like an oversized lawn roller, and it helps bed the seed for seed to soil contact.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to see the finished product.
Yeah. Helpful contractor tip: always go wait a sec. Always go with the contour lines. So if the contour lines are going like this, because you're going up a hill, always drill perpendicular to the slope or parallel to the contour lines, like on a topographic map. Hopefully that makes sense. But that helps with erosion, which is the biggest enemy of freshly seeded lawns.
All right, well, I'll let you wrap up here. I know we only got about 45 minutes left of daylight.
Yeah.
All
Thanks.
right.
Like, share, and subscribe.